I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening a new Colab. Once done, choose Runtime right arrow change runtime type and pick the Python version and GPU or TPU if you need acceleration. Next, mount Google Drive with the provided code snippet so your datasets and notebooks persist. This makes file management simple. Finally, run a quick pip install for any libraries you'll use and test import lines to confirm the environment is ready. You structure the notebook into clear cells. A setup cell for installs and imports, a data loading cell, then your core code for modeling or analysis. Make sure to use pip installs for Python packages, apt for system libs, and %bash where shell commands are necessary. When handling large files, stream or load from Google Drive or cloud storage rather than reading everything into RAM. This prevents crashes. Also checkpoint often. Save model waits to you finish by saving the notebook to Drive and exporting any artifacts or model checkpoints so results are reproducible. When sharing, set appropriate edit or view permissions and tell collaborators which runtime and GPU settings to pick. If something breaks, restart the runtime, rerun setup cells, and read the tracebacks carefully. They guide you to missing packages or version mismatches. As a quick troubleshooting tip, isolate the failing code into a minimal reproducible cell to pinpoint the problem fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.